Yo, what's up? Okay guys, so today we are in Denpasar, especially we are in the city center Denpasar, and then here is the area of Pasar Badung, Pasar Kumbasari. Normally at afternoon, morning time will be busy, and you see we are in here in the river in between Pasar Badung on the left and Pasar Kumbasari on the right side. So behind me is very beautiful river, and now this beautiful river at night time is busy. You know, it's just like the city park in Denpasar. And behind me I saw that the river is actually very clean. Come closer. Look, the children, it's just like the children playground also. But yes, the parents or the adults must be with them. Look at the light, the colorful of the light.
Yo, what's up? How are you doing, guys? I'm also here with Winnie. Beautiful place. We never vlog actually in Denpasar city by night, so it's something new today. I hope so you will enjoy it. And yeah, how you doing, guys? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim.
Behind me, this is the famous Jalan Gajah Mada street. So this area is just like the heritage of the Denpasar. Den means north and Pasar means market. So as you see, even at night time, it's very busy. Okay guys, so now we are on the right side of the river, which is called Pasar Kumbasari, and Pasar Kumbasari is basically famous for the art market. And you see that it's closed, and in the afternoon it's open. Kumbasari market, they selling the art market in the morning, but here in the afternoon, let's say at night time, they will selling like a normal traditional market, you know, like selling the fruits. They are selling, you know, like vegetable, raw food material, chicken, yeah.
Many things actually. I remember I was here actually long time ago when I first time arrived to Bali. I was looking for the biggest market in Bali, and somebody told me to come here. So I was here, exactly walk here, but I didn't have a guide like Winnie with me who explained me everything. All right, and just after the food there is the section with any other stuff. Actually still there are chickens here and many nice stuff. Well, quite busy market today. Looks pretty also nice. Long time ago we used to vlog in this building at the front, but that's during the daytime. But at night it's outside.
Yeah, basically that at night they are selling the raw, everything about raw materials, raw food materials, you know. Okay, so basically this market, you know, selling tahu, tempe, everything is just like fresh vegetable. Yeah, so many fresh things, just like this.
Market vibes for every market lovers. Definitely you should come here and visit this place at least once while you are in Bali. Definitely.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty worth it. So at night you walk outside, and during the daytime you go inside this building over there. And there is very nice selection of the fruit and veg. This lovely boy will try to sell you.
10.000.
How much?
10K. Okay, so I plan to buy rambutan, guys. So have you ever tried rambutan before? This one?
Looks pretty nice.
So in Borneo, in Kalimantan, this rambutan is famous, eaten by the orangutan. So in Bali, I eat this one.
Little orangutan. So funny actually.
Okay, he's happy. Oh.
Yo, what's up?
Okay, rambutan apa nih, King? Aceh?
Nice local vibes here.
Okay.
And also you can buy little poultry here and other veggies.
Okay guys, so I just look at this dragon fruit. Looks so fresh, you know. This is the tip how you choose dragon fruit. This one with the green things on the top still, and then the color of the skin is a very light. So this is a very fresh dragon fruit. Kuda di kilo beli? 13K per kg. So actually the type of dragon fruit, there are two types, the red one and also the white one. So which one that you have ever tried? The red dragon fruit or white one?
And this one is the red one.
Niki yang merah? This one is the red one, so more sweet. Okay guys, so another tropical fruit is this one, the snake fruit. I think that this snake fruit is only exists in the Southeast Asia. And also once we make a video in East Bali, right, about this
Yes,
salad.
we make a special video.
So
about
this
that.
is how you open it. You know, this one, you peel it like this, right?
Alright.
This one, like this one. The taste is a little bit sour, sweet, so good.
Yo, was mantap, yeah. This lady was laughing all the time.
Okay guys, so we decided just go down to the river and then yeah, just enjoy the city park at night. And I feel like when we were last time here, right honey,
Yes.
when it was in the afternoon, it's still hot. And then I think if we compare it in the afternoon and nighttime, I prefer to come here at nighttime.
Is
It's
that
because of the cooler, the weather, and also more beautiful with the light. Okay, I'm interested to jump.
Oh, this is like a floaty bridge lah.
Interesting.
Honey, I will jump little. Oh, little shaky. Ooh.
No. Okay, look at the light there. So nice.
It's actually pretty nice at night in Pasar nowadays. I like it. Very nice.
Okay, let's go there.
What is there saying?
I don't know. Let's go there and see. I'm
Okay.
already hungry.
On the other side, also nice lights.
Okay, guys. So when we are here in the night, in the Pasar Kumbasari market, in the market Kumbasari. Oh, Mama Ayu. She speak English very well. Okay, guys. So very high recommended. Mama Ayu. See, this is very high recommended, guys. If you are here in Pasar Kumbasari market, when night time, after you walk around and you feel hungry, let's have dinner. This one, Balinese food. See? Campur. See? The kid was happy.
Okay, what we have here?
Niki napi, Bu? Niki napi?
Betutu chicken.
Ayam betutu chicken. Oh, she explained in English.
Chicken.
Niki napi, Bu?
Sisir.
Ayam sisit, shredded
Ya,
chicken.
Chicken sisir.
Niki?
The belecing.
Lecing. Oh, water spinach.
This is
Sambal
chili,
mata.
Very,
Sambal mata.
very spicy stuff.
Yeah, very not spicy. Not.
Not spicy. See? This ibu. Oh, chili, big, small.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
and this one? Another sambal.
Yeah, sambal.
Sambal. So nice.
This egg.
Egg, okay.
Egg. This the urap.
Urap.
Yes, yeah. Tofu.
Taho.
Tofu. Yeah, so nice. Ang kenyam ibu.
Please.
Masuk ke sama. Let's have it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Mama Ayu.
Mama Ayu.
Mama Ayu.
Alright.
Okay, so if you are already here, let's eat now.
Okay.
I'm already hungry. And this is not my foodie channel yet, so smachenego, selamat makan. Okay, so
Looks nice actually,
looks so
really
nice. Selamat makan.
Hey.
Oh. Banyak.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Right.
I will try on next occasion.
Together with you.
Okay, guys. So I already bungkus also one
Mama
more.
Ayu. In the market.
Okay.
Okay.
Ibu Mama Ayu, Ibu Ayu, Auntie Ayu, she speak very nice English, so you can come. She explain you everything, how to eat. It's spicy, no spicy, yeah?
Yeah.
No spicy, so no worries.
Dan Mama Ayu also explain us. Ibu dulu kerja di mana, di hotel ya, Bu ya?
In the hotel. In
Okay.
the hotel Capital Plaza.
Kartika Plaza, how long, Ibu?
10 years.
10 years. So she used to work 10 years in Kartika Plaza, so highly recommend it to you to come here, guys. So nice. Okay, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you.